Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a soccer ball poppet. Let's start drawing. I draw a circle like this. Now I'm going to divide the hole with lines like this. Excellent! And I draw small circles like this. How beautiful! Fantastic! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color, I'm going to use the rainbow colors. I start with the color red here, like this. Then I use orange. Yellow. Then green. Light blue. Dark green. A little dark blue. Purple. Pink, and fuchsia. Fantastic! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.